Hey Logan, can you say Logan?
Doggy.
Good. Can you say it again? Logan. Can you say Logan?
Dodo.
Can you say it louder? Real loud. Logan. Can you say Logan?
Dodo.
Can you say Logan? Can you say noodle?
No, no.
How about bubble?
Baba.
Good. How about bath time?
Papa.
Bath time. Can you say bath time?
Papa.
Can you say, what's this?
No.
Nose. What's this?
No. My.
Mouth. What's this?
I.
Eye. What's this?
I.
Hair. Where is your ear? Yeah. Can you say, where's your chin? Good. Can you say Logan?
Dodo.
Good.
Mama.
Can you sing a song?
Ba do da.
Can you sing bye bye doo da?
Papa ne da.
Bye bye dee da.
Papa. Dada.
Dada. Dada's coming home soon. Can you say bye bye dee da? Bye bye dee da. Can you sing a song?
Papa.
How about Logan?
Doggy.
Good job.